In order to look at my blog, I need to remember what I called it. When I registered this blog, I called it Ann Oro Tech Talk, and then we write .blogspot, blogspot.com. Now that's going to show me my blog, and I'd like to point out a couple of features. The name of my blog title, the date it was posted, my content, including my picture, and down at the bottom my citations. And right now there are no comments on this blog post. On the side, it gives me an archive by year, by month, and by content. And at the top, one of the features I don't particularly like about Blogger is it gives you this navigation bar. So what we're going to do is we are going to adjust this so that the navigation bar is gone. I'm going to sign in. Now I can either click the sign button up top here, or I could go to www.blogger.com and sign in. But I'm just going to click the sign in button right here. It's going to ask for my, again, Google Drive or Google, Gmail username and password. And once I sign in, it takes me to my Blogger page. I just zoomed in by mistake and I zoomed out again. Okay, so I could either view my vlog from this page, but what I'd like to do is I'd like to change that navigation bar. So I'm going to click on this little drop-down box and I want to change my layout. That nav bar is the piece that I don't like particularly, that gives me my next blog post suggestions. And if you've never seen that before, let's go back and view the blog and see what it does. It gives us next blog. The problem with that is you never know what's going to come up. It may be something that you're proud of. It may be something that you don't particularly like. So that's why I like to get rid of this nav bar thing. So let us go ahead. I can also click on design to work on the design. Maybe I don't particularly like the design that I've chosen, so I can choose something else. Or again, go back to layouts. So that nav bar is what I don't like. I'm going to say edit. They want to give you the option to change the coloring, but I really don't like it. I'm just going to turn it off. And now I'm going to save that arrangement. And once I've seen that arrangement, I'm going to go view my blog. Now I don't have that little nav bar up there. I personally like that a whole lot better. Now how about, what if I'd like to now make a new blog post? So I've gotten rid of the nav bar. What I'm going to do is go back to blogger.com. And here we are, Arcan Technology Talk. This pencil, if I hover over it, lets me create a new blog post. And once I click on create a new blog post, I'm again going to be able to give that post a title, add my content, add any links, any formatting changes, and images. When I'm done, I'll save it. If I'm ready to post it, I could preview it first, make any changes after I've proofread it, and then finally publish. We'll add it as a new post.